How to save a manual recipe as a program. You have created a manual recipe and now you want to save it as a program to use next time. To save a recipe, hold the menu button down, which takes you to the Edit Recipe screen. Use the arrows to navigate to save. Press the menu button to select this. Next, you need to name your recipe. Use the up and down buttons and the menu button to select each letter. When you are happy with your name, press Start to save it. The screen will indicate that the recipe has been saved. To find the recipe, navigate into your recipe list using the menu button. Within the recipe list screen, locate your saved recipe by the name. To run this recipe, press Menu followed by the Start button. The oven will begin to preheat. When the oven beeps, insert your food and the recipe will begin to run. That is how you save a manual recipe as a program on your Buffalo oven.
Shop now at nisbets.co.uk.